So today we're going to do something a little different. We are going to Loritas. Isn't it down there? Or is it out front?
Looked like it was out front. Yeah.
We are in Tampa and we are going to a taco place called Loritas. So let's check this place out. We can't get through here because there's a sign up there that says Loritas.
No, I didn't realize there was water out here. We probably were supposed to go in the front.
Yeah. So this is Loritas. Well, we went in the wrong way. Could go through the nails. Could just get my nails done since I can't get them done until next Wednesday. Well, we came in the back, so we're just going to come in the back door here. So there's a little bit of seating outside here. We come inside, there's a lot of seating in here. We got some little tables and some big tables. There's bathrooms back there. They have the little boba tea bar to the right, and where you order is to the left. We came in the back side, but this is the front side. I got the menus posted up top here, so we can take a look at those. Bobas, margaritas, that's all over here, but you still order over to the other side and then you just come over here and they hand it to you or deliver it to your table. Got a couple of desserts here and the ice cold beer back there. So we placed our order, grabbed our beers and our limes. We're gonna go out here and find a nice place to sit. This is a nice outdoor seating with some lights, lots of tables, and a pretty view of creek, canal, who knows what it is, but it's water. Is there any alligators in there?
There's some ducks.
Oh, there's some ducks over there. I see them. She wasn't a very friendly girl.
No, and I think...
Oh, you need some napkins?
Yeah.
We're at Loritas. We're having chips and salsa and some tacos. And we're having Coronas. I just got Corona too. I do. With this pretty little water and traffic, and it's kind of a nice little outdoor area. Lots of outdoor seating. Hi, babe. Oh, by the way, these are the first time that I'm using these Ray-Ban Meta glasses to do our food review. I'm excited about it. Can you tell? Can you see it in my face? Yeah.
I definitely can.
Here comes our chips and salsa, I think. Nope. Thank you.
So first I submitted a ticket.
Holy salsa.
I think you didn't get salsa, but you got some.
Yeah, right? So we got, just to start, we got our beers and some chips and queso and salsa. Looks like good salsa. I'll have to test this out.
It's not our product, it's not ours. And that's kind of what we get, right? I guess more than anything.
So that would explain. I was confused by the price, but I guess they charge you for the salsa too.
Yeah.
It's really difficult to hear when you also know that
Pretty good salsa. It's a little oniony and a little salty.
we're actually bought into this company. So
Queso's never a letdown, though.
would think, right? So it's like,
Don't say that until you try it. It is something funny.
I think it's okay, but I couldn't really taste it.
It's a little bit of an odd color.
Yeah.
See,
So I take that back. The queso is not good. He said it was watered down and it smelled just like a gravy.
Like it's canned. I think that's canned soup.
I think it is canned soup. It's not very good, but maybe if we mix the salsa and the queso together, especially for $9.95 for this. We paid for the beers separately.
I said something about like
Now I got it.
I got 3 steak tacos. And I got churros.
Yes.
And the boba.
Thank you. So here's the steak tacos. And all them damn onions. And we got a boba tea and some churros. Look at there, churros. Ouch, damn, that's hot. That is way too many onions and they're very strong. But my green tea, raspberry flavored with passion fruit boba is really good. You see that? And these are super hot. Yeah. Well, that was our little eat at the Loritas. It's across from this Hampton Inns and Suites in Tampa. Instead of going to a regular restaurant, we decided we was gonna just try out something quick and easy. Wasn't really hungry. That's a little crossroad there. I don't know what that is.
Fried chicken. Crossroads hot chicken.
Hot chicken.
Yeah.
And this is a little Irish pub with cornhole. They had some pretty good things on their menu, but it was a little more than what we wanted to eat tonight. So my boba tea, my little boba tea, it was really, really, really good. It was super good. And my churros were okay. And the chips and salsa, the salsa had a ton of onions in it. The queso was not so good. And the 3 steak tacos were filled with meat and good. So that about sums it up. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video. Bye.
You can't wave.
I can wave, my hand is out here. Hasta la vista.